Water does 4 things for the body. One of the things it does is that it helps break down nutrient molecules like carbs, lipids, and proteins. Water is used in these organs to liquefy food so it can be easier to pass through the digestive system. Water also transports secretion from the accessory digestive organs, like the ones shown, to the gastrointestinal tract, which is the esophagus, stomach, and the small and large intestine. Water also helps in the absorption of nutrients in the stomach, small intestine, and colon.
So, this is how water breaks down molecules. The substrate is held in by the enzyme on the active site. This is the bond that holds them together. The substrate in this video is called sucrose. Now, when the substrate is held by the enzyme, water comes and speeds up the reaction. Water bonds with the substrate and each get half of the H2. Okay, so once the bond is broken, they become glucose and fructose, aka products.
Overhydration is water intoxication. In other words, your body is holding too much water. The large intestine is really the transverse colon, which will be changed later in the video. Being drawn now is the feces. The left is normal, while the right contains an excessive amount of water, which is considered diarrhea. So the normal on the left-hand side is showing the water is being added during digestion and reabsorbed in the colon, and the arrows represent how the feces releases, while the right shows how quickly it releases. The stool contains more water than the colon can really absorb, which explains why it releases so quickly.
When a human gets dehydrated and the food they have just eaten is digested, the large intestines absorb the water from the food, making the stool hard and enlarged, making it very difficult for you to pass. This is called constipation. Not drinking enough fluids may cause these symptoms. Normally, with the right amount of fluids, the stool is able to pass through the anus with ease. But without the right amount of fluids, the stool tends to back up into the anus, causing a blockage in the large intestines.